what's up, what's up? It's Jeanita Blue. Before we get started in this video, be sure to go ahead, click that like, smash the subscribe button, and join the tribe. Today I'll be reviewing the iPhone 12 Max Pro. So let's go ahead and start unboxing her. So the first thing I noticed about the phone is the packaging is really slender and sleek. The box is black compared to the white boxes that the other iPhones usually come in. Ooh, and I got the blue one. My last name is Blue. Blue is my brand colors. I love blue. Blue International Marketing is the name of a marketing firm. And honestly, I just love blue. I mean, what other color would you want to get? Ooh, and look at that screen. Love, she is gorgeous. Look at her. I am so happy to have this phone. I currently have the iPhone XR. It's time to upgrade. I'm not the type of person that gets the new iPhone every time it comes out, only because I don't usually see the purpose. But since I haven't upgraded in almost 3 years, I decided to get the best iPhone on the market, the iPhone Pro Max 12. The first thing I noticed about the phone compared to the iPhone XR, the size is about the same. The size isn't too far off, but off top, I definitely noticed that it's much sleeker. It feels a little bit heavier. Like the material feels thicker, denser. It feels more sleek. It feels like it just fits in my hand really nicely. I'm used to having a big phone, so the size is definitely not an issue for me. I have my XR and my Lumi case, and it's pretty thick. So the grip is about the same with the case on the, it even has blue material going around the edges, which I think is absolutely pretty. It comes with a charger, and that's about it. Like, do you remember when iPhones used to come with all the gadgets, chargers, charger base, books, stickers, and headphones? I definitely missed that time. Oh wait, excuse me, it did come with the sticker. Excuse me. And it came with the piece that I actually need because I have to insert my SIM card. So it does come with this little piece that you use to put your SIM card in your phone. So let's go ahead and power her on. I'm assuming she turns on just like all the other ones. So let's see if that's the case. If not, I'll be experimenting today. Oh yay, look at her. Ah! Yummy, 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 yummy. The hello screen. Hello, hola screen, like you normally do. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up. I can literally set up my new iPhone and my old iPhone literally just by putting them next to each other. Super cool. So I can literally just click this and set it up. We'll put my passcode in. What? Waiting for the other iPhone. So this says hold this near my new, hold your new iPhone up to the camera. Oh, okay, that's cool. I'm learning at the same time as I'm doing this, guys. Never is it that easy. You can directly transfer your data during the setup or finish downloading it later. Transfer from iPhone, transfer directly to this iPhone. It'll be ready with your data when you finish setting up 20-30 minutes. Download from the cloud. You can start using your iPhone in about 15 minutes. Your data would no, let's do it now. So yeah, I just want to set it up now. I might pause this video. Then once my information is all backed up on my new iPhone 12 Pro Max, love it, I'll go ahead and come back with you guys. So I'm just clicking through the agreements. I'm gonna give it a minute to set up and I'll be right back with you. My phone is currently transferring the data over, and I want to show you guys the case that I got. I just got a clear case and a screen protector. I got both of these guys from Marshall's. This was 11 bucks and this was $6. The cost of my actual iPhone, I paid out the door $1,182, I believe. That was taxes and everything included. My iPhone's out, and I don't typically do plans. That's just my personal preference, but that is why I don't always upgrade so often, because I mean, I pay for my phones. And honestly, these iPhones last. Like, if this camera wasn't spectacular, well, we're about to get into it and see how spectacular it is. If I didn't see like reviews online saying how spectacular the camera was, honestly, I just would have stayed with my iPhone XR because, I mean, I love iPhones. They literally just last so long. Okay, so I got my screen protector. Comment down below and let me know which iPhone that you have, and if you're upgrading, which phone you want to get. Are you like me? Do you wait? Or are you somebody who always has to have the latest device? Comment down below and let me know. Ooh, if I can get this case open. Whew. Whew. That was hard work. Okay, so yeah, just got this pretty case only because I love the blue on the iPhone and I don't want to take away from it. Hey guys, so I'm back like I never left. 1 whole hour for my phone to back up. Gonna go ahead and use this tool that they gave us to remove our SIM card. If you did not know, the SIM cards in the iPhone are on the side. So I'm just gonna go ahead and press that. Take the SIM card out. Come to me, and I'm gonna put that inside of there. So I'm gonna put my memory card in there. Perfecto. Put on my screensaver. What is all of this? Liddy. Place the screen protector right on top. And I'm just gonna take this off. And here we are. My phone is extra protected. Are you gonna fit? Oh, it's tight. Okay, she's in there. I was not taking her out the box unless I had a screen protector and a case, because while I was at Apple purchasing my new phone, they definitely told me to replace the back of the screen, and like it was like $600 and like $300 to fix the front. So I just was like, you know what? Okay, so here we go. I am on my new iPhone and I love her already. Yes, you see this? So let's go ahead and take a selfie. It's my new iPhone. I love it. Let's go this way. Ooh, I love the depth of field. I love the range. I love the crispness and the clarity. Honey, wow. Let's try portrait mode now. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's giving me that blurred background look. Love that. Hey. My social media is about to what? Level up with this phone. Like, this phone was definitely an investment in my brand and my business, and we're about to go crazy. I'm just really testing the camera right now. Like, I feel like there's so many things that we could do. Okay, this is still in portrait mode. Let's go to regular photo. Awesome. Let's see. I think the color is great. I don't know if it's because it's a new phone. Let's try it. I just tried like the zoom out mode, the 0.5, and oh my goodness, honey. You can literally just pinch it out and get so much. Like, you can literally just film so much. I am ecstatic to try this baby. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. So let's take a quick pic, you can see, and do some more test photos for you. Take a picture of my beautiful candle here, so you guys can have some things to go off of. Fabulous. And then we'll zoom out. Ooh, that zoom in is crispy. Lit. Slow-mo. Okay, all the settings are the same. So guys, this was a quick, my initial thoughts and reviews on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I definitely think that it is a beautiful phone. Initially, from my first perspective, the camera is amazing. I feel like I just purchased a brand new like Sony or Nikon, definitely a top quality camera. I'm going to be filming on this, so be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can check out how this baby actual films and how to film a video using this iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you're interested in that, be sure to subscribe. If you have any other questions, go ahead and comment them down below. And yeah, that's about it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. My name is Jeanita Blue, always reminding you to be blessed, be beautiful, and most importantly, love, be you. Always be yourself. I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Ciao. Oh my gosh, I love this phone already. For the world.